Hey everyone, I'm Joey. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a one balloon ray gun. This doesn't shoot actual balloon bullets like our balloon bow and arrow, but it's a great form of safe weaponry for kids to play with. It's also very quick if you're doing a birthday party, line work, or working in a restaurant. Some supplies you're going to need are a dual action hand inflator, one 260 size balloon twisting balloon. Links to both of these items can be found in the description below. And another thing that most people don't think that they need is to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps my channel, and it's a super small free way that you can show your support. You can subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. Whether you're new to balloon twisting or a seasoned professional, thanks for being here and I hope you find this tutorial informative. Smash that like button, grab your supplies, and let's get started. We're going to inflate our 260 balloon to about 6 finger lengths tail. We're going to start by making the handle, which is going to be about a 4 to 5 inch bubble. Next, we're going to make a 1 inch bubble that turns into an ear twist. To make this into an ear twist, fold both parts of the balloon down so that you can hold it with one hand. Squeeze the sides together slightly, lift up the bubble with your other hand and twist it around to make that ear twist. If you're unfamiliar with ear twists or pinch twists, they make your balloon go into a 90-degree direction, which is helpful if you're trying to improvise something. They also create sturdier joints if you add multiple of them around the same joint. Now we're going to make a loop twist large enough for the rest of the balloon to fit through it, so probably around 5 to 6 inches. Put pressure on your balloon into this joint right here and twist your loop twist around. We're going to orient this so that the ear twist is in the front, the handle is going down, and your loop twist is on top. Next, we're going to make a 1 inch bubble followed by another loop twist about the same size as this one. Now we should have something that looks like this. Now we're going to put the remainder of our balloon through these two loop twists so that it's coming out the front. I usually pinch the balloon right here and pull on it so that none of the air goes to the end right now. A lot of times my ray gun is kind of pointing down. That's totally fine and it's an easy fix. Put a little bit of pressure and bend into it so that it's going a little bit more horizontally. Now we're going to create a balloon bulb to go on the end of this. Essentially what we're going to be doing is moving a 1 inch inflated section to the end, leaving a deflated section in the middle. An easy way to do this is to pinch off a 1 inch section of inflated balloon right here. Make sure that no air can go in between these two sections. Then I'm going to use my other hand to slowly work this inflated section up to the top. So right now, in between my fist is a completely deflated section, and I'm going to hold my thumb and index finger on my top hand to pinch off so that no air can go from this top bubble down back into the balloon. Now I'm going to use my other hand to continue working this bubble up to the top. Once that inflated section is all the way at the top, I can let go and we have a deflated section right here. If I want to add a little bit more air into this top inflated section, I can squeeze this bottom section, which will push air into the top section. I don't want it that big, I just want it about 1 inch. So I can squeeze this down so that it's a little bit smaller, and there we go. This is your simple one balloon ray gun. This is a great shape for kids and adults to interact with each other. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It's a super small free way that you can show your support. Subscribe to my channel for some more balloon tutorials, personal finance, and business tips. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you back here for new videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I'm Joey, I'll see you next time.